How to fix Claude is disabled error 2026 guide. If you just opened Claude and saw a message saying your account has been disabled, do not panic. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly why this happens and how to fix it step by step so you can get back to using Claude as fast as possible. The Claude is disabled error usually means Anthropic's automated system has flagged or suspended your account. This can happen to completely innocent users, and the good news is, in most cases, it is fixable. Let us break it down. Step 1. Understand why it happened. The most common reasons your Claude account gets disabled are violating Anthropic's acceptable use policy, testing jailbreak prompts, requesting restricted content, using a VPN that triggered a suspicious location flag, or making rapid repeated requests that looked like bot behavior. Even creating multiple accounts to get around the free usage limit can trigger an automatic ban. Step 2. Check your email. Anthropic usually sends a notification to the email address linked to your account explaining the reason for the suspension. Go check your inbox and your spam folder right now. Step 3. Turn off your VPN. Before doing anything else, disconnect from any VPN or proxy service you might be using. Make sure you are on a clean, stable home internet connection. This matters when you submit your appeal. Step 4. Do not create a new account. This is a very common mistake. Creating a new account from the same device or browser while your original account is suspended can make things worse. Because Anthropic's system detects device and browser fingerprinting and may ban the new account too. Step 5. Submit an official appeal. Go to Anthropic's support page and fill out the official account appeal form. In your appeal, include your account email address, a clear and honest description of how you were using Claude, and any context that explains why your account should be restored. Be truthful. Do not make up a different location, identity, or reason. Step 6. If your issue is specifically a safety-related warning rather than a full account ban, you can email Anthropic's Trust and Safety team directly at usersafety@anthropic.com with your account details and a brief explanation. Step 7. Be patient. Response times can range from a few days to a couple of weeks. While you wait, avoid logging in repeatedly or retrying from different devices, as that can look suspicious. Now here is your pro tip. If you are a developer or heavy user, consider setting up a separate Anthropic console account for API access. Console accounts operate independently from your Claude AI consumer account, so if one gets flagged, you still have a backup way to access Claude's capabilities through the API. So to wrap up, the Claude disabled error is usually triggered by Anthropic's automated safety system. The fix is to check your email for the reason, turn off your VPN, avoid making new accounts, and submit a clear, honest appeal through the official form. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a guide like this. And let me know in the comments, did the appeal process work for you, or did you find another way to fix it? Your experience could help someone else watching. See you in the next one.